Welcome to our guide on playing puzzle games with friends on Facebook. Let's explore how you can enjoy and challenge your friends with exciting puzzle games together. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the three lines icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines icon to access the menu options. Locate and tap on the Gaming option to explore the gaming section within Facebook. Within the gaming section, scroll down to discover a variety of game categories. Look for the puzzle category and tap on it to reveal puzzle games available on Facebook. Scroll through the puzzle games section to find different puzzle games that interest you. Challenge your friends to join you in playing these engaging and brain-teasing games. Invite your friends to compete with you or collaborate on puzzle games by sending them game requests or initiating game challenges directly on Facebook. Enjoy hours of fun and entertainment as you dive into the world of puzzle games with your friends on Facebook. Stay connected, have fun, and let the games begin. Thank you for watching our guide on playing puzzle games with friends on Facebook. Get ready to test your skills, share the excitement, and bond with your friends through engaging puzzle games. Welcome to